Business Financial Network. Business Financial Network.
Good day, this is Roger signing in for the BFN, the Business Financial Network, and our exclusive series, The Stock Radar. We're keeping you informed on unexplored brand new asset classes and emerging issuers in the world's market. Here at BFN, we love to help people become winners. So to give you, our viewers, more opportunities to win, we are playing a little game called Trader's Treasure, where at some point during this vid, we'll be dropping a secret phrase and the first 100 viewers to spot it and share it in the comments below gets a chance to win free $100 Amazon gift card. So we hope to help during these tougher economic times. So stay tuned and happy hunting. During these uncertain economic times, major media outlets are warning this Sunday that every family should be concerned about the debt ceiling. Furthermore, gold looks like the best hedge as debt ceiling angst builds. Gander Gold. All Newfoundland, all the time. Symbol GAND on the Canadian Stock Exchange and symbol GANDF on the OTC in the US. A driving force in the Newfoundland gold rush. And let's take a closer look at this company. Wow. Really clean website. And again, here at BFN, we always encourage all of our viewers to do their own research. So you can find all this information yourself at gandergold.com. Let's take a look at these projects. So it looks like here, GAND is one of the leading grassroots gold discovery plays in Newfoundland, and after 2 years of exploration has outlined abundant high priority targets across 4 major projects. And it looks like in 2023 here, this May, they're kicking off their exploration. Meaning they're going to be providing strong news flow over the next coming weeks and months in an extremely hot gold market. And when you look at the 10-year prices in gold, it's been staying above this 2,000 mark, especially in the most recent months in 2023. So when you look at these 4 projects, Gander North, Mount Peyton, BLT, and Cape Ray 2, they cover a total of 2,000 square kilometers. And their proximity is quite unique as they're extremely close to Newfound Gold and Labrador Gold. Notably, these projects have never been previously drilled, which is extremely unique. Gander Gold has acquired these projects in 2021 and has systematically explored them with soil samples. And I believe they've had a Newfoundland best of nearly 40,000. Now, for the first time, they're ready to drill this virgin territory. And this is how projects create serious wealth. Aggressive exploration using cutting-edge technology and a multidisciplined team, Gander Gold is following proven exploration model for the underexplored Gander Gold Belt, with geologists building an inventory of high-priority drill targets. This is the secret weapon right? And successful soil sampling over areas of limited outcrop. These 40,000 soil samples are extremely rich in gold for Newfoundland soils and have allowed geologists to identify highly prospective target zones. And these areas have been narrowed down even more to the highest priority targets based on extensive geophysics and ground truthing. And again, it's extremely important that our investors and viewers realize that fortune favors the bold. Now, since we looked at the projects, let's look at the team, because the people behind the projects matter tremendously. Mark Scott, President, CEO, and Director. People make the difference, and I'm very proud of the team we've assembled here at Gander Gold. Investors should take comfort in knowing that we have the leadership, the vision, the expertise among a diverse group of individuals dedicated to the success of this company and the creation of shareholder wealth. They care deeply about the communities in which we operate, the partnerships we have developed, and the environmental stewardship in those areas where we perform our work. And to take note, Mark Scott was previously the head of Manitoba nickel operations for Vale Canada, where he managed a combined OPEX and CAPEX budget of more than 500 million US, including a workforce of approximately 1,875 people. So, rounding out the management team here is a board of directors and technical team that are proven leaders in exploration, capital markets, such as Ian Fraser, Sean McGrath, Terry Coughlin of GoGo fame, Richard Savage, Catherine McLaughlin, Ken Booth, and when you look at the discovery team, Mr. Sean Ryan, who is Canada's most famous prospector and has been instrumental in turning Newfoundland into one of Canada's hottest jurisdictions for high-grade gold discoveries. To take note, the Fraser Institute published on May 4th an annual survey of mining companies for 2022, and you'll notice, rounding out the top 10, Newfoundland and Labrador make that list. So that is a tremendous key. Fortune does favor the bold. Let's take a look at the stock. So Gander Gold has been a publicly traded company for less than 14 months. So it's relatively a new issuer that has yet to really take off. Gand has a total outstanding of about 91.5 million shares, and half of these shares are owned by Sassy Gold and famous resource investor Mr. Eric Sprott. Take note that Gander's Gold's 7 largest shareholders are committed long-term investors who collectively own more than 60 million shares, or nearly 70% of the total shares outstanding. And take another note, there is no warrant overhang in this stock, which is rare. Only 700,000 broker warrants exist on Gand. Gand trades both on the CSE and the OTC QB. And it looks like, when you take a closer look, liquidity has been picking up in 2023, and it seems like it's going to accelerate here, obviously with this news cycle. And when you take a closer look at this chart, the chart shows a stock in the early stages of a major new uptrend with 50 and 100-day exponential moving averages that have reversed to the upside, with a breakup above the 200 moving day average, which it looks like is around 18 cents. And just recently, it's broken above that moving day average. With that breakout, this is one of those companies that we strongly recommend our viewers and investment audience put on their stock radar. As always, do your own research, as we here at BFN are not licensed investment advisors and no past performance guarantees future gains or losses. We know you're finding this entertaining and educational, and that's our goal. So we encourage you to like, get subscribed, and hit the bell to stay notified. As this is Roger signing off for the BFN, the Business Financial Network. Stay blessed.
Business